from Italy. Congratulations po. And our top 17. Leading up as the runner from this is a 5 pesos per max income, right?
Yes, po.
For the past 1 year lang naman, diba? Thank you. And our top 30